Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This week we're gonna be talking about integration by parts. So integration by parts is we have a formula for it, which is this, which is integral of u dv is equals to uv minus integral of v du. So let's look at the very first example. It says find x natural log of x dx. So basically, on integration by parts, as I said, on integration by parts, the left-hand side signifies differentiation, which is why I have left-hand side differentiate, right-hand side integrate. And anytime you're doing integration by parts and you have natural log of x, natural log of any value, so your u becomes natural log of the value given. So which is why you have u as natural log of x and the v as x dx. So differential of natural log of x is going to give you 1 over x dx. Integral of x dx is going to give you x squared over 2. So we have, as we said earlier, the formula is uv minus integral of v du. So you say is equals to natural log of x, which is u times x squared over 2, minus integral of x squared over 2, open bracket, 1 over x dx, which is what we have here. So we have is equals to x squared over 2 natural log of x minus, because we have x squared over 2 here, we can say it as, we can rewrite it as 1 over 2 times x squared is still the same thing, and bring the 1 over 2 outside the integral. So which is why we have 1 over 2 here, integral of x squared over x dx. So you have x squared over 2 natural log of x minus 1 over 2 times integral of x dx. So you say x squared over 2 natural log of x minus 1 over 2 times integral of x dx is x squared over 2 plus c. Then you have the answer is what? X squared over 2 natural log of x minus x squared over 4 plus c. The very second question says find integral of natural log of x dx. So what do we say? We say use natural log of x and dv is equals to dx. So if you differentiate natural log of x, you get 1 over x dx. And if you integrate the x, you get x. So we still use the formula, this formula we have right here, this one, we still use this formula. So we say use what? Natural log of x times v, x, minus integral of v is x, open bracket, du, which is 1 over x dx. Now, so you have x ln x minus integral of 1 dx, and the integral of 1 dx is x, which is why we have x here, and we have x natural log of x, or plus c, or you can say x is common to this and this, so you can just bring one x out, so you have x open bracket natural log of x minus 1 close bracket plus c. So the third question is integral of natural log of x over x squared dx. So we can write this as x raised to power minus 2. You know, 1 over x squared can be written as x raised to power minus 2. So you have x raised to power minus 2, x raised to power minus, x raised to power minus 2. So you have integral of x raised to power minus 2 natural log of x dx. So we say u is equals to natural log of x. As I said, anytime you have a question where you are being told to find integration by parts and you have natural log of x, that belongs to u. So as we have said earlier, integral of natural log of x is 1 over x dx. Differential of natural log of x is 1 over x dx, while integral of x raised to power minus 2 is going to give you minus 1 over x, as I explained. Yeah, I think this is quite self-explanatory. So we move on to say u is what's natural log of x times v minus 1 over x, which is this, minus integral of v minus 1 over x, which is this, times du 1 over x dx, which is this. So we have minus natural log of x over x minus integral of minus 1 over x squared dx. So we say we have minus natural log of x over x plus integral of 1 over x squared dx. So you have minus natural log of x plus x raised to power minus 2 dx, because now we can change 1 over x as minus x raised to power minus 2, which is what we have. Yeah, we can change it to that, and then find the integral. So integral of x raised to power minus 2 is minus 1 over x. So that's why we have minus natural log of x over 2 plus open bracket minus 1 over x plus c. So we have the final answer as what? Minus natural log of x over x minus 1 over x plus c. So do make sure that anytime you're solving integration by parts, you add a constant, which is c. If not, the answer is wrong. Let's move on to another question. Yeah, so this question says x squared natural log of 4x. So u is what? Natural log of 4x, and dv is what? X squared dx. Yeah, so if you differentiate natural log of 4x, you have as I explained here, you have 1 over 4x times 4. So basically, anytime, like we've said earlier, integral of natural log, differential of natural log of x gives you 1 over x. So differential of natural log of 4x gives you 1 over 4x times differential of 4x. And differential of 4x gives you 4. So which is why you have 1 over 4x times 4 dx. Which is why I have du as 1 over x dx here. So, yeah. Then integral of x squared gives you x cubed over 3. Now we are going to just use the formula. So you say u is what? U is natural log. Sorry, I didn't put the 4 here. So natural log of 4x times x cubed over 3 minus integral of x cubed over 3 times 1 over x dx. So we then have what's x cubed over 3 natural log of 4x, as you can see, minus. Now, as I said here, this x cubed over 3 can be written as 1 over 3 times x raised to power 3. So I brought 1 over 3 outside the integral, so I'm left with what? X cubed over x, and x cubed over x is what? X squared, because one of the x cancels out the other, so you have x squared. So then we have what? X cubed over 3 natural log of 4x minus 1 over 3 times what? Integral of x squared gives you x cubed over 3, which is why I have x squared over 3 right here. So I have x cubed natural log of 4x over 3 minus x cubed over 9 plus c. Integration by part is quite simple. So it's just basically you, as I explained earlier, differentiating the left-hand side, integrating the right-hand side, and just putting the values of what you have into the formula, which is uv minus integral of v du. So now let's take a look at this example real quick. We have integral of x cos x dx. So u obviously is going to be our x, and dv is going to be our cos x dx. So the differential of x gives you dx, and integral of cos x gives you sin x. Then you use the formula. So you say u is what? X, v is sin x minus integral of v sin x times du dx. So you say I is equals to sin x minus open bracket minus cos x, because if you integrate sin x, you get minus cos x plus c. So you have I is equals to what? x sine x plus cos x plus c. Now let's look at number 7. It says integral of x sine 2x. So we say u is equals to x. So differential of x is the x. Differential and integral of sine 2x is going to give us minus cos 2x over 2. So then you say I is equals to x times what? Minus cos 2x over 2 minus integral of minus cos 2x over 2. So you then say I is equals to minus x cos 2x over 2 plus 1 over 2 times what? If you integrate cos 2x, you get what? Sine 2x. So you say plus 1 over 2 sine 2x over 2 plus c. So you have I is equals to minus x cos 2x over 2 plus sine 2x over 4 plus c. Now let's look at this one as an example. So you have what? U as x plus 1, dv as cos x. So u is what? The u is going to give us the x, and integral of cos x is going to give us sine x. So we have I open bracket x plus 1 times sine x minus integral of sine x. So you have x plus 1 close open bracket close bracket sine x plus integral of sine x gives you cos x plus c. And yeah, so that's basically integration by parts. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one.